Yep, the 350Z Nismo is gone. Let me explain. YouTube, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. And you know the deal. Your boy is finally picking up the Nismo from paint. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new, subscribe to the channel. Let's get right on the road. I'll see you guys when I get to the paint shop. As you guys can see, your boy is here to pick up the Z, man. Telling you guys, best spot in Kissimmee, Orlando. We're gonna go over the car when I get home, but let me get some stuff out of it real quick. She's back, boys. She is back. Ooh, that gray looks lovely. But yeah, man, she is back. And then we got the front bumper in there, if you guys can see it. Your boy finally made it home. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go over the car. It's a little wet, so you're not gonna really see too good, but your boy pretty much got the car done. So at first, you know, if you guys didn't see the video, crashed my Nismo, fucked up the front bumper, so I bought a new OEM one, and we took it in to get sprayed magnetic black with KH2, I think it is. Magnetic black and KH2, I'm pretty sure, or KH4, some shit, I don't know. So we got this done by the man himself. No flaws whatsoever. Perfect paint job. His fucking prep job is amazing. No overspray, no nothing. And then we found out that my front lip, this is an OEM color, so he sprayed it right. The front lip was darker than the side skirts. This one, it was darker than this rear, the gray on the rear part right there, and the gray on this side skirt. So we pretty much came to the conclusion that I was gonna respray all of them so they could all match this bumper, the new bumper, because they had imperfections. So I was like, you know what, let me just fix them one time. He gave me a bundle deal, and you know, I got it done. So come to find out, he took the two side skirts off and the rear bumper. Coming to find out that his paint job didn't come out darker. His paint job was the correct color, and my car, the gray on my car, was resprayed. He had the side skirt and the other side skirt right next to each other, and they were both different grays. I'm gonna pretty much post all the videos so you can see all the damage and everything before, you know, I talk about it. So here's all the damages, here's everything that he fixed, and here's like all his steps before he finished it and put the car all together. And I didn't put the front bumper on, if you're wondering, because I didn't have the undershroud and I wasn't trying to fuck it up. So if you guys didn't know, when you buy a new bumper, it doesn't come with an undershroud, it's just open, and I didn't want to fuck the lip up. So I'm gonna post the progress of him working and doing everything on the car right here, and I'll get back to you guys. Here again, man. Couldn't resist. This time we're about to get some shit done to the Nismo. Stay tuned.
Well, there goes our answer. Yep. That needs repair. Yeah, we'll take care of that. Repair.
So yeah, as you've seen on the video, the first main flaw was the front bumper was fucked up. He fixed that. I bought a new bumper, he painted that, everything's good. The second flaw I had right here was on this side skirt. Hold on, it's dirty from me driving or whatever, but as you can see, everything's good. Don't worry, that's not a scratch or nothing, it's just dirt. Right here on this side skirt, it was cracked, so this part was separated, and he fixed that perfectly. Can't even tell it was ever cracked. He fixed that perfectly. And then I had a long scratch right here on the side skirt that was white and mad noticeable, so he fixed that too with the paint. I'm gonna show you guys right here how it looked before. I don't know if I have a part where it was cracked, a video, but I definitely have a piece where it showed that scratch right there. So here it is. Right here, the side skirt does have like a little scratch, but that's not a big problem to me. Onto the passenger side skirt. Honestly, this one didn't have no flaws. This was the one that was just resprayed, and it was a whole different gray from the rest of the other ones. So this one just got paint matched. No bodywork, no nothing, just paint match. And then this, he threw me a deal, and yeah, sorry guys, I kind of used the brush and now it has water spots. But as you guys could tell, does this even look like it was painted? Be honest, the black paint match is amazing, bro. Not gonna lie, this guy is top of the line. His prices are good. His quality over quantity, man. So yeah, he pretty much gave me a deal. He said, I'll spray your bumper back, because on my back bumper, if you guys know, had a gash, like a big dent and cracks all right here on the black, and also right here on the gray part, cracked and dented, and it was breaking. And he pretty much fixed all that. As you could see, like, you know, you wouldn't even tell that this was in a little fender bender dent or whatever you want to call it. The previous owner pretty much, you know, he reversed into something and hit it and it cracked the bumper. So my guy pretty much, you know, fixed the bumper for me. I'm gonna show you guys the before right here, and then you pretty much could see the difference. Oh my god, she looks so good. But here we go, here's the before. Another problem with my Nismo is this right here. See, and I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna show you guys everything about this car, so you guys know everything about this car. I'm not gonna make it look like the cleanest car in the world, because it isn't. So yeah, they got this. It's like a little scuff mark on the back bumper. So yeah guys, you know, the Nismo is back in my possession. That's all I wanted to do. I was gonna spray the whole car, but then I was like, you know what, The only parts that really needed it was the front bumper, the side skirts, and the rear bumper with that gash and gray messed up. The only imperfection I have now that's barely noticeable, you probably can't even see it, like if you're looking, can't even see it, but is this right here. It's like a little, I guess it was a scratch or a scuff. It's pretty much, it's flat, it's not like a dent or anything, but the guy pretty much tried to use like a touch-up paint, so you could kind of notice it, but you got to really be looking at the car. And I was gonna do both of my doors, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just let that be. It's not really a big deal. I'm not gonna be putting the car back together because this is only phase one, which was get the car restored, painted, everything good, you know, as much as I could get it. And I'm gonna leave this off for now. I pretty much got everything. I got new fender liners, the undershroud, I got clear reflectors to go right here in this spot, and you know, some other parts and shit, like little corner bracket. Supposedly when you get a Nismo bumper, there's a bracket that goes right here to cover this and connect your fender liners. I got all of that, but it's time for phase two. We're gonna be sending the car off to get all its maintenance done. We're gonna be sending the car to Tampa, Florida. I'm gonna be getting my gallery gaskets, my spark plugs, water pump, thermostat, and what else? I'm debating on doing my camshaft and crankshaft sensors one time, because those tend to go bad, and if they're already in the car, they might as well just do it. But I'm debating on that. And your boy was gonna sell his ISR long tube headers, but I decided we're gonna throw them on the car. So yeah, I'm gonna be probably sending the car off probably either this week or next week to get all the maintenance done, and the car's gonna be running top notch. The car's gonna be running top notch. You know what I'm trying to say. The car is gonna be running top notch, and it's gonna pretty much be on the road to full bolt on, because your boy got the 3-inch RZG intakes. Your boy got VHR upper and lower intake manifolds. Still got to get those ported with the VHR fuel rail, and full exhaust already that's on the car. I'm gonna need to order injectors and a fuel pump, and we're gonna be tuning the car on E85 and seeing how much power we could put down, and I'm gonna enjoy the car from there. I'm gonna call it and enjoy the car from there. So step one, paint the car. Step two, maintenance. All the maintenance done for 100k miles because it's at 92k, and long tube headers installed, taking them shitty Megan test pipes off, Megan, whatever you want to call them. Step three is tuning the car. Actually, it's either step three is going to be tuning the car, or step three is going to be putting on my OG TE37 time attacks. I'm going to be getting those powder coated bronze, and I'm going to be putting some meat on the car in 19s. So yeah, whichever comes first, the TEs or the maintenance, or the tune, whichever comes first. But that's my goal. I pretty much want, bro, for my birthday, I told myself I wanted to get my Z tuned. Like, that's my birthday gift to myself, and I'm gonna get that done. So yeah, man, the Nismo is back in one shape. I can't believe it. I'm gonna get this bumper out real quick, and I'm gonna sit it down right here. I just want to see it in front of the car, man. It's been too long. I had the car gone for a week, and I was losing my mind, because you know I hate asking for rides and hitching rides everywhere. So yeah, let me put this bumper out real quick, give it a little show, and see how the paint match looks and everything. And we're probably gonna end off the video. So let me check real quick.